waiting for the T. I had the T for you. So if you get the T and I'm not there yet, come on, just I'll pass you right here at the yellow gate we have. Well, I'd watch out if I was you. This is dirt, not pavement. I know all about it. It's not wet, Tyler. It's not wet here. It's dry as a bone right here. The pavement fence is coming out on the 35. I'd watch out if I was you.
Hey. I've been out here for a little bit. I believe you're more of a pavement princess than I would be there, Colin.
These feet don't fall asleep when he's driving. I mean, you like to jump ditches and shit. Going up watching those dudes driving and decided not to move it in real life. He's real life in Blue's Clues, shut up.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. The truth comes out. Tyler, the truth will set you free, young man.
What? Want me to go ahead and come to the T, or you want me to wait right here?
I'm about at the T right now.
I'll pull over right here. You can come on. I'll give you all the room you need to go across the map.
All right, boys. Remember how I said in my community post on the page that I had something cooking up that I think y'all might like? Well, this is it, man. I am now driving logs, and I love it. You know, I've been doing it for a little while. You heard the guys, you know, giving me shit on the radio. Call me pavement princess. I need to get that looked at. That hissing, I think it's a problem somewhere, which is causing the trailer to look a little like that. So I don't know. I have no idea. But now we're about to head to a mill called, we call it GP, but it's Georgia Pacific. Okay, that's called ply logs, is what we call them. If I had to guess, I'd probably weigh around 90 and some change. We'll see at the scale house. All right, yeah, man, we gotta get the truck looked at. The ass of it is just real bouncy, and as you saw before, it's got the load leaning and the treadle leaning to the right a little bit, which makes this shit kind of sketchy. It's already a sketchy enough job. I don't need something like that going on to cause all you know, a bunch of unnecessary issues. You know, primarily that ends up with me in a ditch on my side somewhere. You know what I mean? So I gotta let the boss man know, and we gotta get the truck looked at. But we made it here to GP, all right. From here, I'm gonna let them know something's up with the truck. I need to get it looked at, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to get you some footage of these guys unloading me over here, and we'll see how that goes. All right, here he goes. I guess that's a different assortment pile. I'm not sure. I'm still relatively new to all this stuff, so I don't really know why they're separating it like that. For what the numbers on these stacks mean on these different logs, I guess that it's the size or the order number or something. I'm not sure. Maybe if you know why they do that, drop it down in the comments below. I would like to know why. It's a relatively quick process. I mean, you just push that grappler up under there and just lifts up and goes. I've never seen a tractor like that until I came and started doing this stuff. But yeah, man, that's it. Alright, so the pressure valve on the truck is bad, which is causing the truck to do like that. So I'm sitting here at the shop, as you see, trying to get the truck fixed. I won't be getting out of here till probably 4:30, and then from here I'm just probably gonna go to the house because there ain't no point in going back to the woods when the boys leave the woods at 5. And by the time I get back to the woods, it'll be well after 5 because I'm like 40 minutes-ish away. So I'm just gonna go home and you know, start my day off tomorrow. So yeah, I guess this is where I'm gonna end it. Welcome to the new style of logs, guys. I go to the same mills about every day, so we'll see how it goes. Hope y'all like the new content. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.